welcome back out to the Allen County Fairs. We are live with Jerry Pitts, local attorney, and boy, what a fabulous day. The crowd should be enjoying this weather.
Lovely setting, lovely setting.
Now, you're here today to talk about, well, it used to be called affirmative action. It is no more.
No more.
So colleges were using race and some other determining factors to allow or not allow someone into college, but that's all been changed.
Well, the Supreme Court decided it was going to go with that anymore. On a 6-3 vote, they voted against such ideals for admissions that race could be used as a factor. But what people don't understand, they virtually gutted out affirmative action, period, but it just doesn't means admissions and stuff like that. It includes as well as veterans, as far as government jobs opportunity. It also includes handicap. It includes women. It includes all of those various groups that also are going to be systematically excluded because of this decision. Now, the 1965 Civil Rights Act was geared to try to make grounds equal. What has happened is now the grounds are not equal, and they're going to remain unequal due to the fact that they are not indicating that we should have this going on. Now, what's so funny about that Harvard decision that is really a joke? If your parents went to Harvard, they're called legends or legacy. You're automatically admitted into Harvard. But who in the early 1900s up to the 2000s probably, were admitted into Harvard. So therefore, minorities, handicapped, Asians, all of them are virtually going to still be excluded. We now can't consider race as a factor. Also, we used to have what we call the minority set-aside programs, contracts, where people could get contracts if you were minority-owned. Now that's been systematically excluded too. So our Supreme Court has really done a job this time.
However, I guess if you want to look at it this way, if I am an incoming freshman and I want to be allowed into a college or a university, I can let them know my race without them asking. I can just let them know, right?
Well, they say that there's be factors that may include your writing, where you live or where you did live, came from.
If you came from a poverty-stricken area.
And supposedly, those things can be looked at, but it should not be considered as a race base. It makes virtually, I'm worried about our Supreme Court. And I think now with these abortion issues and all these other issues are coming up, we really going to have to be careful how we go about voting, especially those votes that we have or that we can do, because the Supreme Court is there permanently, and there's nothing we can do about what they say.
And you and I have talked about this issue before. Know the matter that you're about to vote on and know the people that you're about to vote on. That's the biggest thing.
And that's what I think I'm going to hone on next time, about what you need to understand if you're in the voting population.
All right. Jerry Pitts, thank you so much for your time today. Enjoy the fair. I think it looks like you have your lovely wife with you, so I'm sure you guys are going to go off and find some French fries.
It's not my wife, but it's my friend.
All right.
Thank you.
All right. And we'll be back as Holly has a look at medical coming up next on Noon Edition.